Hello. So in this video, I'm going to share you how to take the backup of SQL Server database using SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to take the backup of this database, test database, and it has only one table, that is test table. So we will restore it later once we take the backup of this database. So I'm going to show you both of the things, how to take the backup and then how to restore the backup. So first, right click the database for which you want to take the backup, and then click on generate scripts. Then click next. Select the entire database and database object. Select this checkbox, or you can select a specific table if you want. This database has only one table, so it is showing one table only. So we will select entire database and all database objects. You can choose the location. Let's save it in the desktop and name it as test backup. Save. Now go to the advanced, and if you want to take the backup of schema only, then select schema. I will select schema and data, and this is like for which version you are taking the SQL Server database backup. If you will select 2017, then you will be able to restore the database in the edition 2017 or above only. So I will select 2012. So like we can restore the database in SQL Server 2012 also, or in 2014 or in 2016. Once done, click OK, then next, and next. Wait for a few minutes, few seconds, and we are done. Finish. Now let's try to delete this database so we can restore and check if the procedure was correct or not. So let's delete this database. This done. Now we want to restore the database. Select. So we will use this scripts, or we can directly open the scripts here, and it will show us the script which we need to execute to restore the database. So let's execute it, and that's it. As you can see, it shows we are done. Refresh, and you can see the test database is restored. Sometimes it doesn't restore the, like if you are restoring it in the different PC, and you might get the error the test database does not exist. So you can create the empty test database first and then execute these scripts. Thank you. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe.